Hello and welcome to another one in this series of videos of tips and tricks on how to use Alibre. Today we'll be using the midpoint constraint in a new way, right? And that is with three points instead of a point and a line, right? So we've got these two circles. Now I'm going to click on the centers of the circle and then on the origin, right? Something happened, but they're not quite symmetrical around that point. Look what's going on, right? It looks like they're dancing around the origin point. So when you use the midpoint constraint with 3 points, what happens is the third point uh, is defined to always be on the perpendicular bisector to the line segment defined by the other two, right? So if I make a line segment here, you will see that whatever I do with these circles, right, this point is on a perpendicular line to this line segment that also goes through the point. Okay, and to show this better, if I actually make this point be on that line, you can see that now they are symmetrical at that point. And just to show an application of that, let's just get a rectangle here. Let's make it, yeah, 50 is fine by 20. Extrude, fine. Now, let's say I need to make two half ducts on this side of the rectangle, right? So I make one, and I give it a dimension. Yeah, let's say 3. And I make another one. Right, so we're defining this sketch, we're defining this feature with as little dimensions as possible so that as to convey the design intent, right? So now, 2 points, I'm defining a line segment and I want this to always be on the perpendicular bisector, but because all of these 3 points are actually on the same line segment, what happened? I have these half ducts now symmetric, and I can even dimension between them, right? And that symmetry is going to be respected as I change this dimension. Okay, so yep, yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's one way to use the midpoint constraint. It's very versatile. You can define your sketch with fewer constraints and make it easier to work with and more robust at the same time. So thank you for watching this one. I hope I see you on the next one.